At least 152 Palestinians have been wounded in violent clashes with Israeli forces at the Al-Aqsa Mosque compound in Jerusalem. Israeli police say 3 officers were also hurt. It's the latest outbreak in a recent surge of violence that's raising fears of a slide back into wider conflict. Anne Barker reports.
The clashes broke out as Palestinians gathered at the Al-Aqsa Mosque for dawn prayers during the month of Ramadan. TV footage shows Palestinians throwing rocks outside the mosque and Israeli forces firing tear gas and stun grenades. Palestinians then barricaded themselves inside Al-Aqsa before police raided the mosque to arrest many inside. Israeli forces rarely enter the mosque itself, which Palestinians consider a provocation.
They fired rubber bullets inside the Al-Aqsa Mosque compound. They were beating everyone, even the paramedics.
The Red Cross says most of those wounded were hit by rubber bullets and stun grenades or beaten with police batons. Palestinians accuse Israeli forces of hindering access to ambulances.
We condemn this. People all over the world saw it on their screens. The barbarism is used by the occupation to suppress the safe worshippers who came to attend morning prayer.
The clashes come at a sensitive time. Ramadan this year coincides with the Jewish Passover and, of course, Easter. Al-Aqsa Mosque is on a site holy to Jews as well as Muslims. But tensions were already high after a recent spate of killings. Israeli police last week raided a Westbank town and shot 3 people dead as they searched for those behind recent attacks. Days before, a Palestinian gunman opened fire at a bar in Tel Aviv, killing 3 Israelis. That and other Palestinian attacks have killed more than a dozen people in recent weeks and stoked the tensions in Jerusalem.
We're working to calm things on Temple Mount and throughout Israel. At the same time, we're prepared for any scenario.
Hours after the clashes, the mosque was reopened and thousands were allowed in to midday prayers. Anne Barker, ABC News.